My name's Tim O'Donnell. I'm from Cranberry Township, Pennsylvania. I'm president of Ashby Manufacturing. It was very difficult to find work. Everything dried up. It just like a spigot got turned off. A salesperson came in from Xometry and said, "You gotta try this website. We're finding work." It took about 20 minutes to sign up. We were doing our first job about a week later. Me, as a small company in Western Pennsylvania, I couldn't really call up NASA and say, "I'd like to do some work for you." Xometry presents that work. At the end of the day, take something that was a hunk of metal and make something useful out of it, something I can hold in my hand and say, "I made this." That's what I think the biggest thing everybody here enjoys, is just being able to say, "I have made this and I've contributed this to society."